Thanks a lot. You know, I wonder if he works magic with his homework. I don't think he has to because he has about 12 subjects already. He's a sixth form at Papine High. He's a magician. Shamar Edwards, Eddie, the magician. Morning, Bridget.
Right.
And big cricketer too. The Papine team is an outstanding cricket team and he's an all-rounder there. So, and interestingly, I said to him jokingly just now, I said, so you use your tricks when you bowl. And he said, I want to play fair. So, I love how you're going already. Why this magician thing? Where did this start?
I watch videos, sir, and see other magicians. It look really amazing, so I decided to try.
So you taught yourself this?
Yeah, got some books from online, so I read them and I tried it. Give some tutorial and I tried, and it worked out for me.
It worked out for you?
It didn't work out same time. I failed a couple of times, but I didn't give up.
Yeah.
I continued.
12 subjects, but you want to be a magician.
Thanks, sir.
What else? If this doesn't work, what might you want?
Computer scientist.
Computer science?
Yes.
Fantastic. So, where your friend them say no about this magician thing? They support
love
it
it.
and
Yes,
they love it?
Yes, they support it.
So you can make that lady just disappear? You can?
Yes, sir.
You can?
Want me to do it?
Yeah.
All right.
You can't move it. You can't make her disappear?
I won't do it.
Oh, you won't do it? Oh. All right, afterwards, we can make her disappear. So, all right, what's the first one you're going to do for us this morning?
I want you to.
Me?
Yeah.
Heading around, what am I
Hold out your hand.
Hold out my hand?
Yeah.
Hold on, you're not going to hurt me or nothing.
No. All right. I have some random paper there. You can choose anyone you want. Sure you want that? You want to switch?
No, I want
You
this.
sure?
Yeah.
All right. All these in the hand. Shake up those in the hand. Count how much of them is in the hand.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right. Close and tight. So, you could have choose any one of these paper.
Yeah. I must
You
read
can open them and see
I'll
all
keep
of
this
them.
one.
Yeah, man.
So
Keep.
this is a fruit punch.
Yeah.
I must say what they say on it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm nervous, you know, Eddie. Lemon juice. So, no, but this will take forever, Eddie. Banana smoothie. Close them up so tight. Orange juice. Okay then. Orange juice, and this one say mango punch.
Yeah.
And I still have mine in my hand, right?
Yeah.
And this one say, if I can ever open it up, vegetable juice. And the last one say passion juice.
All right. Can examine the paper. It's just a normal newspaper, nothing different about it.
Yeah,
Just a newspaper, normal newspaper.
yeah.
All right, you can open the water bucket.
Open the water bottle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Say what are they?
Go on, somebody pray.
You throw it in there.
Here's the water.
So where the water gone?
Huh?
Me afraid.
All right,
Well,
just give me this.
you hear that?
Yeah. Just take up any one of those. Take up another one. Take up another one. Another one. Yes. Right. So this one said what?
Orange juice.
take up any one of those cups. Remember, the water is here.
Yeah.
All right. Watch this one. Do some magic there, sir. You can't have a drink.
Have a drink, my God, boy, have a drink. Eddie, you win, you. You win, Eddie. That's the first one.
That's the first one. You can't taste it, you know.
I'm not tasting it, so you know, tell me how you do it.
All right.
That one, you win.
This is another one.
All right.
This is empty, right? Empty?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to seal it now.
Yeah.
Make sure I don't have anything. Show you again.
Empty. Yeah.
Empty. Put this somewhere safe.
I'm afraid that you're not safe.
All right.
Like in my
Yeah, put in your pocket. Put in your pocket.
I can't fold it.
Come on. All right, just. You have money?
Yeah, I have plenty of money. I ramp me ready. But if you choke my money, I'm done. Yeah. Try not to turn your back to the people.
Oh, yeah. All right, this is just some random playing card.
Yeah.
You're going to tell me to stop, right?
Stop.
Take off the phone. Show the camera, but not me. Ready?
Yeah.
Tell me to stop.
Stop.
Put on the card right here. Yeah. You can shuffle. You can shuffle it and mix it.
Before me can shuffle, a big thing in you. Oops.
Make sure you're looking now. Hold out your hand flat. Yeah. Is this the card that I pick?
No.
This is seven hours, right?
Yeah.
Watch the card. So card move, turn it through.
Eddie?
Here comes the best part.
The best part?
Yeah, this is the best part. All right, take out the envelope. Put the envelope right here. This is 2 of our side, the card that I pick.
Yeah.
Watch this. Turn around the card. Card change, right? It's gone somewhere else.
No, Eddie, if it didn't envelope me, I'll lock you up. Anyway, it's inside, I'll lock you up.
Like, pick up your camera.
Ready for the next one?
Got one more? Yeah. All right, quickly, one more. We can get one more?
Yes.
All right, one more. One more.
All right. This one is just tricks. Don't overthink, it's just tricks, right?
Vietnam man, for you said that you have me nervous about to overthink. All right? Hold on up. I'm afraid something might jump up when I'm afraid or something like. All right. Turn so they see. So the camera needs to see what you're doing. So turn to.
I need some.
You need some what?
I need her to
what?
take part in this one.
I'm nervous. No.
Huh?
Landia, come take part in this one. Landia will come. Got me nervous. Got me sheet me the door you disappears today. You know. Kind of nervous.
This is Joker and Queen, right? Joker and Queen. Our next Joker. So it is 2 Joker and 1 Queen. All right. I'm going to turn over one of these. Hold out your hands. This is Joker and Queen, right? Which one I give you?
None.
This is Joker and Queen. Turn number 1. Which one I give you?
Joker.
Look. Here's the Joker. Okay, all right, let me make it easier for you.
Please.
Let me make it easier for you. Watch, I'm going to put the Queen in my pocket. I have 2 Jokers here. 1, 2. Watch this. Here's the Joker. Here's the Joker in my pocket.
Ow! Incredible.
Here's the Joker.
I still can't get past this.
All right,
You know.
it's not finished, you know.
Oh, it don't finish?
No, this trick is not finished. It's almost finished. Yeah, come on. I'm just going to make one move. Hold out your hands.
Yeah.
This is Joker and Queen, right? Which one I give you?
Queen. You're done.
Here's the Queen. Queen is in my pocket. Huh?
You're not finished?
No?
Three Joker and a Queen.
All right. I'll put the Joker in my pocket. Hold out your hands. This is Joker and Queen?
Yes.
Which one? Joker and Queen? And here are the Queen. Here are the Jokers.
Who can die? Honda! Science.
What that mean, please?
Science again.
What is?
Huh?
What is?
Orange juice.
Jeez.
Good to meet you.
Yes.
So if I drink this, I'm not going to disappear.
No.
Me not trust you. Eddie the magician, Papi in High. Good luck with the cricket, good luck with your computer science, and I suspect you can live off away, just do a while. Good to meet you.
Yes.
All the best.
Thanks.
All right, stay with us for the 7 things the Reader's Digest says everyone is guilty of stealing. Let's see if they're right. But first, the Lasco financial tip of the week.
Here is today's financial tip from Lasco Financial Services. Track your spending weekly. By closely monitoring your expenses weekly, one can easily determine where exactly their money is going. There are several apps for free that can assist.